Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix the issue of slow boot on Windows 10 or 11 in few steps. In step number 1, we disable fast startup because on mostly systems it slows down boot time. Personally disabling it, my system takes less time to boot now. So open settings, go to system, click on power and sleep. In the right, click on additional power settings. And in the left, click on choose what the power buttons do. Here, click on change settings that are currently unavailable and untick turn on fast startup. Save changes. If you don't have this option, then open CMD, run it as administrator and type in this command. It is given in the description box as well. powercfg /hibernate on. It should be enabled now, then follow the steps to disable it. In step number 2, we change virtual memory, which allows the operating system to use the RAMs fully, and this will mostly fix the problem of slow boot. For that, type performance in the search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to Advanced tab and in virtual memory click on change. Some people's currently allocated is more than recommended, which results in slow boot of your system. But if your is less than recommended, then do not do any changes. But if your is more than recommended, then untick this box and click on custom size. For initial size, type a gigabyte less than your recommended. For example, my recommended is 1649, so I will just type 649. And in the maximum, insert the recommended. For example, I will insert 1649. Click on set and then click on OK. Restart your system and you should feel a change. In step number 3, update your graphics driver. Right click on the start menu and go to device manager. Here, expand display adapters and right click on your graphics card and click on update drivers. Click on search automatically for drivers unless you don't have stored the graphics driver on your system. In step number 4, if your Linux terminal is turned on, this causes booting issue on many systems. To turn this feature off, search for Windows feature in the search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and untick this Windows subsystem for Linux. Click on OK. And after the changes is finished, restart your system. In step number 5, disable startup apps because they open automatically when you boot your system and it results in slow boot. Click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Go to Startup and disable all the apps if you want to, otherwise disable the unnecessary ones. If this video helped you out, I'll appreciate if you like and subscribe. If you have any issues, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos.